Rusty Rivets! I was gonna put on my goggles, but I can't find them. They must be in the costume box, which I'm going to need to pull out soon because it's almost Halloween. October. I've got so many October toys to open. I have so many toys to open before October. I don't know what I'm gonna get done. I don't know. I'm gonna pump out some reviews today. Oh, I was just opening this up. This is Rusty Rivets Botarilla. I have reviewed other sets of these, maybe not any of the ones on the back. I'm thinking about getting 2 smaller cars because that is also what is available in this new series. I basically just have the figure packs, which are enough for me. I try to save space. I think one day I do want to get the PlayStation though, which is, I don't know, some kind of garage or laboratory, because they make creations. See, you can see on the back of the box, you take this gorilla and you can mix and match his pieces with other machinery and other things, and you can make your own creations. Kind of fun, transformable things. Love that. Oh. Some propaganda in here. Oh, what is this? It says, problems, questions. This is where to call if you have any problems or questions with your toy. This is the instruction sheet. This is nice. Printed on a very good quality paper. I guess it tells you how to build your basic Botarilla. Is that his name? Did I say that right? Botarilla. It's all glossy and stuff. Then, here. Have you seen the show? I haven't seen the show. I just really like the concept. What I really like are the figures. These are Spin Master, so I think that it would be fun to let them hang out with your Paw Patrol figures. Really like his outfit. I would totally wear this outfit. Probably cut the sleeves off the t-shirt though. A drill piece. Some kind of anchory piece. Gorilla head and body piece. Look, he munches. He's a robot gorilla. I don't know, some kind of connector piece. Oh, the instructions say that the head comes off. So you can decapitate him if you like. Poor guy. Another connector piece. I think this is like his biceps. Or maybe his legs. Or his biceps. And then one leg. So that's kind of like a... I don't know. There's no wheels. I would think you would have wheels. And another connector piece. So we've got everything in groups of 2. 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those. One of this, one of this. I think those are his hands. And 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. So it looks like we've got all the parts. That's great. Get rid of this stuff. Let's put this guy together. Okay. You take him like this. Start off with putting his legs on. his knees go forward. So you see there's these little fastener things, and they just snap into holes, and they're made so that they can rivet around. There's all these little kinks that it stops at, and then it's not too hard to pull it apart, but it's nice and sturdy. It's a nice sturdy connection, so nothing's gonna fall off. Oh yeah, he's looking good. Then it says to put in these things. These are his shoulders. And then these were in his biceps. He's got Popeye arms. Yeah, or maybe they're his hands. Like this. Munch, 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 munch. Yeah, he's cool. And he does have wheels on his fists. Then, where did these pieces go? Oh, this piece right here clips onto his back. And that is so Rusty can ride the gorilla. There's little hand grips there. His articulation, I should show you, is the arms move independently. The legs move independently. No, the legs don't move independently. They move together. And the head turns. And the head. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the head turns. Too. Man, he's cute. And cool. That is such a great outfit. And then, like I said, there's two handles there that he can grip onto. And he can take Botarilla for a ride. And it says done. And then it shows you that you can move his mouth. It really says done right here. You're done. But then what does it say to do with these other things? Oh, yeah, you can stick him up. You can take off his arm, just like Hordak, and you can put in this drill. Look at that. You can, or he could just wear it on his head like this. Rusty! This is awesome. If you want to check out, I believe it's the figure packs that I reviewed. Check those out. They're really awesome too. Okay, that looks silly. But I really, really like this guy. This is a good choice. I like him more than the dinosaur, whatever the dinosaur's name is. Alright, if you like this video, I'll be happy. But, what? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I have to go get Rusty. Rusty? Here he is. Let's get him back in the saddle. He'll be back in the saddle again. Fun and cute. Super fun and super cute. Drill hand. Rusty Rivets!